Hi there, this is Dr. Mountain and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually join the agency on TAKA. So let's kickstart TAKA. And when you're in, you simply check where it says Bind Agency. So you simply click there. When you click there, it's saying Join Agency. To become female creators, agency ID provided by agency. So please input the agency ID. So you need to click here and then you enter the agency ID. So that's 522 522 110 522 110 372 522 110 372. So when you're done, you can click that arrow in the bottom right corner. Okay, so after entering the agency ID, you can now click Bind. So you can now click Bind Agency. So now when you do that, you'll be brought here where you need to verify. You do the first verification. That's how you do it.